I'm Dudo. I'm Amber. I'm Bubble. And this is Funny English Toon. Learn English the fun way.
Dudo, could you call the hotel? Gather some information before we make a reservation.
Absolutely, Mom. I'll inquire about the room rates, facilities, and availability.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Ocean View Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. I'm calling to gather some information about your hotel. Do you have any family rooms available for next weekend?
Yes, we currently have several family rooms available.
Could you tell me about the facilities included with the room? Our guests enjoy complimentary breakfast, high-speed Wi-Fi, room service, and access to the swimming pool. I'd also like to know the room rate per night. Our family rooms start at 4,500 rupees per night. Thank you for the detailed information.
You're most welcome. We look forward to welcoming you soon. The hotel sounds promising. Why don't you make the reservation?
Sure, Mom. I'll call them right away.
Ocean View Hotel, how may I assist you?
I'd like to make a reservation for my family.
May I have your preferred dates of stay?
We'd like to stay from July 15th to July 18th.
How many guests will be staying?
There will be 3 guests, my mother, my sister, and myself.
I'd recommend our family suite. It's spacious and offers a beautiful city view.
That sounds perfect.
May I have your full name, please?
Yes, it is for my mother. Her name is image_.
You'll receive a confirmation email shortly.
Thank you for your assistance. Thank you for your assistance.
Excellent. Everything is falling into place.
Our vacation is going to be amazing. Subscribe to our channel. Like this video. See you in the next video. Bye!